Beth, would you like to start us on this one, please?
Sure, yeah, thanks, John. I'm going to follow Jack's example and make my 3 submissions. The first is, I've seen pupillage applications where candidates are telling me what they can do and how brilliant they are, but they don't evidence that with their experience. And anybody can write a pupillage application and say, I've got excellent people skills, but I need to see how you're going to demonstrate that. So if you've worked in a pub and you've served people drinks, that's a really good way of showing that you've got good people skills. Always bring it back to your experience. The second common pitfall I've seen is not getting to the point quickly enough. When the barristers in chambers are marking your applications, they see a huge number of those applications, and they have realistically rather a short amount of time to actually read each one. So keep it brief and really try and highlight and draw out the key points. If you need to give your answer in 250 words, then by all means do that. But if you can say it in 150 words, then more the better. And in particular, I would avoid repetition. There's no need for it, but also your application is an example of written advocacy, and repetition should be avoided. The third point, which again has already been quite rightly picked up by Jack, some applications we see are, I am a generic pupillage applicant, and this is why I should be given an interview. Don't do that. Be yourself, be authentic, show some personality, maybe include something that's going to make the person reading your application sit up and take notes of you. Maybe you, I don't know, teach people how to fly a hot air balloon. That's going to make me take notice of your application. Obviously keep it relevant, keep it to the key skills that you're trying to show, but honesty is always the best policy with your applications, and being your true authentic self is the best way of communicating your skills and experience to whoever is reading your application.
Brilliant, thanks Beth, some great advice there. Dan, have you got anything to add on that point?